Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to design this spag landing page. Watch the whole video to learn how to do it. Launch Adobe XD and create 1540 by 930 pixels artboard. Under the appearance section, click on fill, change it from solid color to linear gradient, change the top handle color to 313132. And the bottom handle color to 161618. Now adjust the position of the handles to the desired looks. For the logo, type Air. Change its font to Bastica, font size to 41 pixels, make it title case, change its color to white. Place it 32 pixels from the left and 54 pixels from the top of the artboard. Draw a line as the height of the artboard. Keep its color to 707070. Give it 131 pixels left margin. Type the navigation. Change its font to Aperçu Pro. Font size to 17 pixels. Keep the font weight to medium. Change the character spacing to 10. Make it title case, and place it 59 pixels from the top. Now duplicate it. Give it 55 pixels spacing. Change it to products. Repeat these steps 3 times, change it to about, location, and cart. To show the active state, select home. Change its color to EFC862. Draw a 42 pixels line. Change its border size to 2 pixels, and color to EFC862. Give it 29 pixels top margin. Add the search icon using Icons for Design plugin. Make it small. Change its color to white, and border size to 2 pixels, place it 61 pixels from the top, and 76 pixels from the right on the artboard. Select the navigation. Move it to the right. The space with the search icon should be 79 pixels. Now import the hero image. Place it 331 pixels from the left, and 22 pixels from the top. For title type Work Anywhere. Change its font to Bastica. Font size to 72 pixels. Character spacing to 0. Line height to 73. Make it title case. Change its color to white. Place it 245 pixels from the top, and 329 pixels from the right. Change the font of the paragraph to Aperçu Pro. Font size to 20 pixels, font weight to regular, character spacing to 32, line height to 32. Now type the content of the paragraph as follow. Introducing the Work Collection, a line of minimalistic bags designed for the new generation, specifically for the modern professional. To emphasize some parts of the paragraph, select and underline them. Now place the paragraph 45 pixels from the title. For slider type 01. Change its font size to 22 pixels. Font weight to medium, give it 256 pixels top, and 88 pixels left margin. Draw a 278 pixels line. Keep its color to 707070. Give it 7 pixels top margin. Duplicate the line. Change its width to 199 pixels. Color to EFC862. For active slider title, type Work Collection. Change its font size to 17 pixels. Character spacing to 10. Make it title case. Give it 16 pixels top margin. Duplicate the text. Change it to Active Collection. Change its font size to 13 pixels. Color to 646464. Duplicate the text again. Change it to Travel Collection. The gap between them is 9 pixels. Now draw a 1408 by 224 pixels rectangle. Remove the border, change its color to black. Click on the background blur, change the blur amount to 14, brightness to -7. Type Events. Change its font size to 17 pixels. Font weight to bold. Character spacing to 190. Make it uppercase. Change its color to white. Place it 36 pixels from the top, and 87 pixels from the left of the rectangle. Type the place of the event. Change its font to 16 pixels, character spacing to 32, color to A10101, give it 31 pixels top margin. Duplicate the text, give it 9 pixels top margin. Change it to the date of the event, and change its color to white. Select both the place and the date of the event, duplicate them. Give them 76 pixels left margin. Draw 6 by 6 pixels ellipse, remove the border. Change its color to EFC862. Zoom a bit. Duplicated 2 times, the gap between them is 10 pixels. Change the color of the last 2 ellipses to 646464. Place them 41 pixels from the bottom of the artboard. Import the other image. Change its size 224 pixels, give it 80 pixels left margin. Duplicate the event's text, move it to the right, change it to news, give it 76 pixels left margin. Now type the news as follow: a fresh take on our activity collection just in time for spring, available in black. Keep the font size to 16 pixels, change the font weight to regular, color to A10101, place it 31 pixels from the news. Type read more. Keep the font size to 16 pixels, change the font weight to bold, make it title case, color to EFC862. Place it 41 pixels from the bottom of the artboard. Now type FB for Facebook. Change its font size to 17 pixels. Keep the font weight to bold. Make it title case. Change its color to ACSCSC. Rotated -90 degree. Give it 41 pixels bottom margin. Duplicate it 2 times, change it to IN for Instagram, and TW for Twitter, the gap between them is 56 pixels. I have already designed the mobile version, and this is how it looks. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a like, subscribe, and enable the notification so you don't miss any future uploads, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.